Hello guys, welcome back. It's of Things. But for today's video, here going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Chevy Malibu Bluetooth not working. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having problems on your Chevy Malibu Bluetooth here, well, there are going to be a few things that you can try. So first is you may want to do a soft reset on your car system. So in this case, you want to start by turning off your car completely and take the keys out of the ignition. Now unplug any connected USB devices and then open the driver's side door for about 5 minutes. Now this actually helps reset the system, kind of like restarting a computer. But after that, try reconnecting your phone again and it might just work. Next thing that you could try doing here is to unpair and reconnect your Bluetooth device, which in this case, you need to go ahead and open up the settings on your phone and just basically go to connections and then Bluetooth and just find Chevy under paired devices and tap the settings icon next to it to choose unpair or forget. Now, once you've done that, you could go ahead and basically reconnect it or repair again and see if that helps. And in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.